internet, welcome to Cyber League. Today I'm gonna show you how you can scan your files for virus online. Go to this website, link is in description. Here are 3 options: file, URL, search. In files, we can scan our file. In URL, we can scan file using URL, and in search we can search for domain and IP. Now upload a file to scan. I'm selecting a random file here. Now it uploads it, and start scanning. Scanning started. What it actually do is, it scan our given files with multiple antivirus databases for virus and malwares. As you can see here, multiple antivirus says the file is clean. Here is the result. No antivirus engine found any virus in our file. Means it is clean. You can search any file you want here, with multiple antivirus. That's for free. Some of the antivirus didn't recognize our file, but that's okay. So thank you for watching and keep hacking.
Yeah.